Are you ready to unlock your hidden artistic talent? Welcome to the Learn to Draw Like a Master Artist course. Dive into our engaging, step-by-step video lessons, and watch your doodles turn into stunning masterpieces in no time. With over 42 hours of comprehensive tutorials, your artistic journey has never been more accessible or convenient. Master the art of drawing on any device, wherever and whenever you want. Plus, with lifetime access, learn at your own pace and revisit lessons as needed. Uncover the secrets of shading, texture, and portrait drawing, and transform your skills to create breathtaking, gallery-quality art. Don't wait another moment. Ignite your artistic passion and become a part of our thriving community of aspiring artists today.